Hi all, welcome to the channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys, we are going to be finishing off our Delorean build with a mod. Now if you watched my previous video, I did show the mod that we are going to be working on today. And basically, we are going to be working on the Plutonium case upgrade kit. This is from Mike Lane, and I will put the description down below of where you can get this. And, well, quite a lot of other mods as well. But this is basically going to sort out this Plutonium case. We've got a few issues with it, but this is just going to really finish the Plutonium case off. Now, it does come with the bits, which I've already got laid out. And then inside, we've got the instructions on how to do this. So, yeah, this is going to be fun. So, we'll get on with this today. Also, it does come with a upgraded clock face as well for the clock that we got. So yeah, this should be fun. So first of all, we need to bring across the Plutonium case. I'm just going to open it up, and we need to take out all of these. So I'm just going to put them in my little parts tray. It doesn't matter if they fall out or whatever, because we are going to fix that problem, all being well. Now I am tempted, really am tempted, into securing these lids down with some micro crystal clear, which I think I'm going to do. I really do think I'm going to do it. So I'm going to do this mod, and then I'm going to secure them lids down, because they are doing my head in. And I've got some micro crystal clear, so I might as well use it. You see what I mean? They're just taking them out. The lids are just coming off, and there has to be a much better way in doing this. And you know, this is one of the last things for the original run of the Delorean. You know, is this Plutonium box. See what I mean there? The things have actually got stuck, and yeah, you don't want that happening to your model. So even though micro crystal clear does take a while to dry, I think I will be okay. So first thing we're going to do is we need to take off this section here. So we'll just undo the screws. I'm just going to move my camera up slightly, because I'm working quite far away from myself. Okay, so that's that one, that one, that one, and then this final one. Oh, screws disappeared, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so we're just going to lift that bit off. There's that screw, and I'll take them two containers out. Okay, so that's what we've got so far. So the first thing we need to do is we need to add this piece at the bottom first of all. As you can tell, my usual problems with stickers, never good. But we need to take this off, this backing paper. There we go. And we're just going to stick this down on top of the original foam that we've got in there. So we'll just do that now. This is where I mean stickers, we just don't get along. Right, okay, so that's now on. We can put this back on. So put that back on into there. So we'll tighten up the screws. Last one. There we go. Okay, so the next bit we need is this bit here. Now it's got two little sort of cutout sections here. That is for the front of the box. There we go. Making sure we don't trap the straps in there. Okay, so that's onto there. Next is we've got this piece here. This is just going to go on top there. Okay. Okay, so that's on there. Next, move that rubbish to one side. We've got the plutonium sticker, and this is going to go inside the box. That's just going to sit just about there. That sticker wasn't too bad. Okay, so now we've done all that, that's basically the box upgraded. Next, what we need to do is we need to get our rods, plutonium rods, and on here we've got these sort of like plastic discs with a hole in. We're going to stick the rod through the hole just like that. Then we're going to stick the rod back into here. Hope we took the lid off. Just like that. And what this is going to do is it's going to stop these rattling around. So if I put the lid back on and just line it up, that basically stops that from moving. And then what we would do is we just put them back in the case once they're done, and we can nicely shut the case. And that is the upgraded kit, which is a lot better. So I'm really impressed with that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all them on, and then I'm going to put some microcrystal clear on them, and then I'm going to leave them overnight to set, and then when I come back tomorrow, them lids will not be going anywhere. Okay, so if I just move that to one side, the next thing we get in this kit is we get the clock face upgrade. Now if you look, it's very hard to see. Camera focus. That is the clock face that we currently get. And then what Mike Lane has done is he has updated it to the correct clock face. So in order to put this on, what we need to do is just need to get a craft knife, and we just need to take the perspex off of the front of the clock. Just being very careful. It will come off just like that. Okay, and then it's just the replacement sticker that's just going to go on over the top of the original. So I'm just going to get some tweezers just to make sure I put this on correctly. So this is just going to simply, if the tweezers would behave themselves, okay, that's now in place. Just use something to flatten this down with, something soft like a diamond painting pen. Okay, that's down with, and then we just get our perspex face. We just put that back on, that just sits in, and there we have it. There's our upgraded, it focuses, clock. There we go. And that is basically the kit. That was really fun to do. So I'm going to start working on the lids for the plutonium cases. But yeah, as you can see, it is a lot better and a lot more accurate, and it makes this, I wouldn't say cheap, but makes this just to another level. And that's what the mods are. They're just improvements for what you currently have. So that is the Mike Lane plutonium case upgrade and clock face upgrade. So if you like this video, guys, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, guys, stay safe and bye for now. Over to MikeLaneMods.com, where you will find an array of mods for your models, from everything from the Delorean to the Enterprise to the Ecto 1. You can pick up some good quality mods from Mike Lane. I'm doing the Delorean mods, and as you can see, there is a wide range of options for the Delorean build. So check out MikeLaneMods.com and start modding your model today.